Hey everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you the Wispy Willow Duo. If you are newer to Scentsy or newer to my channel, welcome. Scentsy is most known for our wax and warmers. I giggle a little bit, but there are plenty of people who still to this day don't know what Scentsy is. So if you love home fragrance, you are in the right spot, my friend. So one of the things that I absolutely love about Scentsy is that a lot of our warmers come in a full size as well as a mini size. So this spring and summer season that just launched, both of these pieces I'm going to share with you today are brand new to the spring and summer lineup. They are absolutely stunning. Probably one of my, definitely one of my top favorite like duos, if you will. Absolutely stunning. So I'm going to show you, and I know that if you saw one of my more recent haul videos, I think it was just like my new warmer haul. I forgot what I exactly called it, but you will have seen the Wispy Willow in the full size, but I just ordered myself the mini because, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So as you can see, this is a full size warmer. This does take a 25 watt bulb. And there's a little dish here that you can put your wax. I use this warmer. I use it very much. So I'm not gonna I'm not gonna like tilt this because the wax is kind of solidified, but I'm not gonna take my chances just in case it like, psh, and I have a waxident. That would be sad. So you have your shade here and you have your bulb that screws in down below. You have a toggle switch here, turns it on and turns it off. So you will put your wax into the dish here and the dish is sunken in. The light bulb will heat the dish and heat the wax and release the fragrance. This is absolutely stunning, you guys. I love it when it's lit. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is a really pretty, soft blush pink glow. And I just think it's so perfect for spring and summer. I feel like this one's gonna be really hard for me to take down when it's time to transition to my fall and winter warmers, but we'll see. It's just so pretty. So I love the way this looks even when it's off, and you'll see how gorgeous it is when it's turned on. So this is the full size warmer. This is available currently for $45. If you are someone who likes to have things match or coordinate really nicely, you are gonna love this because we have a mini warmer that is just as beautiful, but just smaller. How cute is this? I love that Scentsy started doing this. We have several warmers that have a full size and a mini along with it. Just to name a few, we've got Wildlife, Alabaster, even the really simple warmer, the etched core warmer has a full size as well as a mini. If you are someone who doesn't need a ton of design, doesn't want something that's crazy extravagant, but you just like the simplistic look, the etched core has a full size as well as a mini. So I have a couple of friends that are like, I like everything to look a certain way and I like it all to be super simple. And so like they'll purchase a couple of the etched core warmers, full size as well as mini, and everything all looks the same, which is nice. So same thing goes here. So if you like things to match or coordinate, Scentsy has you covered. So like I said, the etched core, Hoot, I love Hoot. There's several different ones. I love this idea. I think it's amazing. So, and especially if you like the look of one particular warmer, geez, I'm really trying my hardest to like break this here. Get it together, Lisa. Especially if you like the looks of a particular warmer, but due to size constrictions, maybe you can only get the smaller, or you like the size, or you like the look of the smaller warmer, but you prefer it in a larger warmer, that kind of thing. Then you have that option, which is wonderful. Now with our smaller warmers, this is a $20 warmer. And this is glass. So our mini warmers come in glass and ceramic. This is glass, and we know that because, well, because of what it's made out of. But if it's hard for you to tell which is which, the bases here that are circular and have the threading to actually screw onto the base, that's how you know that's going to be a glass warmer. If you have a ceramic warmer, it's not going to have the threading. It's going to have like little notches cut out so that you will attach it to the base and secure it on just with one little swoop there. So all of our mini warmers come with this type of a base. So it'll plug directly into the wall. It'll come with a 15-watt bulb. So it always comes with your bulb, and then you'll screw it up, you'll screw it on, and you will plug it into the wall. So this is great. One of the many things I love about Scentsy, and I feel like I share this over and over again, but just in case you're new here, one of the biggest things that sold me on Scentsy ever was the fact that our mini bases, they have this little button here. And with that button, if you hold down on it and turn, it'll click into the next orientation. So now it's locked in here. So if your outlets are horizontal, vertical, upside down, sideways, however ways, this is going to work for you. So it's amazing. I love that because I have outlets in every orientation in my house. So my mini warmers are going to work always. So I love that for us. So I'm gonna let my wax solidify just a little bit longer here. So while I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna show you what the mini looks like lit up because it's so pretty. I love this so much. I find this to be a soft glow, but if you are sensitive to light, this might be a little too bright for you. Okay. So I have my tabletop base here. So this base does not come with our mini warmers. This is an additional purchase, but totally worth it if you are looking for this size of a warmer. Say if you have a smaller office and you're not looking to drown people out with scent with a full-size warmer. If you're worried about strength or just size, you can get these tabletop bases, which is great. Look at how pretty this is. Oh, it's so pretty. I find this to be just a beautiful, soft, it's almost like a corally pink sunset kind of glow. It's so pretty. I just love this, which is why when I had it in the full size, I was just like, Scentsy made it in a mini. Yes, please. So you can purchase the mini as well as the full size if you like. So let me unplug this one and plug in the full size so that I can show you what the full size looks like. So pretty. And these are not a set. Like you don't have to purchase them together. So if you just want one and not the other, you can purchase them separately. They're not sold as a set, just so you know. Because I know the way I'm wording things, it's sounding like maybe it is a set, but it's not. It's sold separately, if you will. So here is the full size. It's the same exact look because it's the same exact warmer, just larger. So pretty. And like I said, it's kind of that corally sunset kind of glow. Oh, I just love this. I can't get enough of this warmer. It just makes me so happy when I see it. I have this displayed here in my room behind me, and it just makes me so happy whenever I see it. I just love it. Like I said, it's going to be really hard for me to take this one down, but who knows? We'll see. I love it. Oh, I love it. So I wanted to be able to share these with you because, like I said, I've got a lot of friends who like things to match or just like complement each other really nicely. We have several warmers that are like that. Chasing Fireflies, little mason jar. We've got a full size as well as a mini. And you can bundle and save, but not with these two particular warmers. So if you are looking for the best like bundle and save deal, you can do, I believe it's called the Scentsy system, where you can purchase the warmer as well as 3 bars. Do one for each of the warmers. Then you're getting yourself 2 warmers and 6 bars total. And that's an amazing little startup there. So that is the Wispy Willow Duo that I wanted to share with you. They're absolutely perfect and gorgeous. Amazing for the spring and summer season, so I wanted to share them with you first. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.